Hello, everybody. My name is Anthony Popovski, and I'm going to tell you why you should consider Pitt and specifically electrical engineering. So, a little bit about myself. I'm a senior electrical engineering student, also pursuing a minor in religious studies. I'm a Pittsburgh area local from Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. I love playing guitar and learning about guitar gear. I watch a lot of movies, and I really enjoy reading history books. So, I want to talk a little bit about why Pittsburgh and why Pitt today. Pittsburgh is nicknamed the City of Champions for a reason. Pittsburgh is a great sized city, not overly huge, but it has everything that a big city has to offer, like world-class sports teams, museums, theaters, parks, you name it. In 2018, Global Livability Index placed Pittsburgh as one of the top 2 most livable cities in America, and Pitt specifically has been recognized by the Wall Street Journal as the top public university in the Northeast 4 times in 5 years. One of the reasons I chose the Swanson School of Engineering in particular is because it almost has a small school feel within a big university. You still get a big urban campus, world-class institutions, D1 sports to attend, but almost all of my classes are in Benedum Hall, the home of our engineering school, and with reasonable class sizes, I'm getting to know my professors and classmates as well. So a little bit about the Swanson School and the electrical engineering curriculum in particular. While everyone comes into Pitt Engineering as an undecided engineering major, by sophomore year, you might find yourself in the electrical engineering department. You're going to start with some introductory level classes focusing on basics like circuit analysis and digital logic to lay a strong foundation. Then you'll get into more in-depth topics as the years go on, like semiconductors, electromagnetics, and signals. You'll get into design-focused classes where you can design your own circuits once you have that good understanding of the curriculum, and you'll have labs to get hands-on experience. Pitt Engineering also offers a number of different concentrations in the electrical engineering department, like digital systems, electronics, electric power, and communications and signal processing. None of them are mandatory, but it gives an opportunity for a more in-depth understanding of a field in electrical engineering you might be interested in, and also make you a more valuable candidate when looking for a job after graduation. I'm personally pursuing a concentration in electric power, so I'm tailoring my technical electives and classes towards that, taking power systems analysis classes, power distribution classes, electric machinery classes, those sorts of things. That picture in the top corner is actually a picture of Pitt's Power Systems Laboratory on the 8th floor of Benedum Hall, where we allow our students to get some experience studying different power systems. And that picture in the bottom corner is actually a breadboard that I made in one of my labs, which is a very, very primitive computer, but it was really cool because I got to build that myself. One cool opportunity that the electrical engineering department also offers is a 2-week program beginning in May called Clean Energy Grid Engineering Scandinavia. You spend a week in Sweden and a week in Denmark visiting different power plants and exploring the countries to learn about how Scandinavia is implementing clean energy in their infrastructure. It also counts as a 3-credit technical elective towards your major. Now, a lot of students might ask, will I still have time to do stuff outside the classroom and studying? The answer is absolutely yes. I'm a member of the Blue and Gold Society, which deals with preserving Pitt traditions and alumni relations. I'm also a member of the Chemi Car Club, which designs, constructs, and races a shoebox-sized car that runs and stops off chemical reaction. It's through the chemical engineering department, but I just work on the electrical components on the car. We also have a number of these design clubs at Pitt, and they help provide an opportunity to get hands-on experience and apply what you're learning in the classroom into real-world situations, really to engineer outside the classroom. I can't stress those clubs enough. I also play club sports, and I serve as the vice president of the Panther Hurling Club. I also participate in co-op with GE Power Conversion. Co-op is a program offered in Pitt Engineering where you alternate semesters of classes and full-time engineering work. So by the time you graduate, you have a full year of paid work experience under your belt. I recommend checking out some of the co-op resources on Pitt Engineering's website. Now, my future plans with my Pitt degree, I'm hoping to apply for a further job with GE. After all, I do have some experience with working with them now. I also plan on getting my master's degree in electrical engineering, and I also want to earn my professional engineer's license. And Pitt is a great place for that because all of Pitt's majors are ABET accredited, which is something you need in order to earn your professional engineering license. Now, here at Pitt, we do have a motto that you're going to hear a lot. It's a saying of school spirit and pride, and that's Hail to Pitt. That email on screen, please feel free to reach out to that if you have any other questions that you may have thought of during this presentation. Also, if you don't mind, before I go, I'd like to ask you to follow us on Instagram with the information below and keep in touch with the engineering ambassadors and the school as a whole. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you on campus soon enough.